Haddock. I really like this stuff. Here's a couple tips to know if your fish is fresh. One, the color. It's that nice opaque color that haddock has. The smell, smells like the ocean. And I always run my hands on it and it's not slimy, it's nice and fresh. I'm making fried haddock and sticky rice balls with garlic scape pesto. Now, there's so many different types of rice out there. Trust me, hundreds. And you gotta know the right rice to use. You can use risotto. If you like making risotto, I do. That's a great rice for these sticky rice balls, but I'm using regular sushi rice. It's so simple to cook and it's good and sticky and will make a nice ball. A sticky rice on its own is just a little too sticky. So I got a good trick here for you. I just have a little stock in butter and it just helps unstick it just a little bit. That's all you need. Now roasted garlic. Who doesn't start salivating when there's roasted garlic in the kitchen? This is really simple. I just cut the head off a piece of garlic, a little bit of oil, a little bit of salt, and it's perfect. Look at that. Now I get to fry some fish. I love haddock because you can watch it cook. I can see there's some brown, crispy bits. That means flavor, and it also means time to flip it. Off of the heat, and I'm just gonna flake it up in the pan, just like this. And when I add it to the rice, every bite you get is gonna be filled with garlic and really nice fish. Smells so good with the roasted garlic in there. When the warm fish hits it, you just get roasted garlic. Just a few more things to add, and I'm ready to roll. Lemon, Parmesan cheese, yeah. Garlic, lemon, haddock, match made in heaven. It's time to roll. Get your grandma off the couch, get your kids off the couch, and let's have some fun. It's a perfect rice for it. Now these little babies need to go into the fridge just for a few minutes to firm up so I'm ready to bread them, and it gives me just enough time to clean up this mess and make a garlic scape pesto. Those look really good. Garlic scapes. Garlic scapes have that really nice, sharp garlic flavor. They're just the shoots from the garlic and they're gonna make a great pesto. Into the blender. Olive oil, classic. Don't be shy. What good pesto doesn't have nuts? I'm a little nutty myself, and I love pine nuts or pinoles. A little bit of seasoning. Gotta have cheese. Parmesan adds to that creaminess. A little bit of lemon for some sharpness, and it actually goes really well with the flavor of the garlic scape. Yes. That's it. How simple is that? Buzz it up. Look at that texture. So creamy, and the garlic scape adds such a good flavor to it. It's got some kick. Breading stations are super simple. It's like 3 parts: all-purpose flour, eggs, and my favorite breadcrumb is panko. Now, panko is breadcrumb that's actually been electrocuted bread from Japan, and it's light, and it's fluffy, and it's perfect for those sticky rice balls. Whew. These have had just enough time to firm up. They're perfect. Flour, egg, panko, and into the deep. These things take no time at all until they're nice and crispy. Oh, they're already starting to change color. This is gonna be really quick here. What did I tell you? Just a few minutes and they're perfect and crunchy. I always gotta do some finishing moves. Parmesan. Just a little bit of olive oil. Yes. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Let's see how it tastes. Look at that. Full of haddock and roasted garlic. Garlic scape pesto. Seriously. It's a round trip flight of garlic. I love the garlic with the haddock and the sticky rice and that garlic scape pesto. What a great recipe for the cookbook and super fun to make.